Hello everyone, I am 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐜 and I am currently pursuing BSc Forensic Science from �KALINGA University, Raipur. Under this internship named as Fingerprint Examination and Analysis, we learnt about fingerprint techniques, emerging technologies, importance of fingerprint in crimes and investigation, etc. And I would like to thank AFRS for giving us this opportunity to learn, and all the faculty who gave us their precious time. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Mithun Rajesh, a graduate from JSS Medical College from the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, doing my intern here at a private lab in Coimbatore. Recently, I have attended the Advanced Online Fingerprinting Examination internship organized by AFRS. It was a helpful session where we are able to learn a lot of things. I would like to thank all the board members of the AFRS for kindly encouraging and organizing this as a wonderful event. I hope this video helpful to my career, as well as I would able to implicate this as a knowledge to my current resources. Thank you.
Hello, myself 𝐿𝐨𝐲𝐬𝐢𝐜 from Dr. 𝐅𝐨𝐽𝐿𝐴 Central University, Sagar. Currently, I am pursuing my degree in Forensic Science and Criminology. I have to say, I have learned so many things about fingerprint impression during this internship. I have to say thanks to all my mentor and teacher, and a special thanks to AFRS to provide us this opportunity and internship. Thank you so much all.
I'm pursuing my BSc Forensic Science Criminology in 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐜, Bangalore. I joined for AFSL internship for 10 days. The internship was very good. The teaching method, the study material, whatever they provide is very good. It is very good, and it was very best enjoying the internship online. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Minna and Leo, currently pursuing BSc Forensic Science, Criminology and Biochemistry, first year at 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐜 College, Bangalore. Over the past month, the online internship which was conducted for us, it was a very nice, valuable, informative and a beneficial experience for me. I learned a lot more about fingerprints, its classification, its types, and how it can be identified in various locations, and how it can be a very crucial evidence. It was a very nice topic to learn about. The teachers also were very experienced, and they taught by giving a lot of examples, which made it easier to understand. Overall, it was a very nice experience. Thank you.
I am 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐜𝐽𝐜. I am studying in Vivekananda Global University. I am doing BSc in Forensic Science and I am in second year. I have enrolled in the course of AFRS fingerprint sessions. So these sessions were very helpful for me and they taught me a lot. Like I got a lot of knowledge from this, and it was just good that it was very helpful for me.